Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen California Coast. This vehicle is powered by a 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 150 PS. Accompanying this is a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This example comes finished in the wonderful Mojave beige metallic paint colour. Taking a look at some of the exterior features, up front we'll find a set of daytime running lights, and the California Coast features a set of front parking sensors. Down below and across all 4 wheels we'll find the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels coming in a silver colour. The vehicle features a manual pop-up roof, and a roll-out awning can be found on the driver's side of the vehicle. Further helping you park and manoeuvre, the California Coast features a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the boot area of the vehicle, there's a fair amount of storage space. The vehicle features a multi-flex board, and moving into the rear passenger area we can find a 2-seater passenger bench. The California Coast offers a variety of different storage compartments and everything that you'll need for your camping trip away, such as a fridge/CoolBox, a twin Hob Burner, as well as a sink with a folding tap. Once the sun sets and it's time for bed, the rear passenger bench folds flat and a comfort mattress is also provided. Once the pop-up roof has been deployed, there's an upper sleeping area as well. Up in the driver's cab area we'll find 2 singular swiveling seats. These 2 seats feature twin armrests as well as having a heated function. In the centre of the dash we can find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This allows you to access any of your favourite radio stations or connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Throughout the rest of the centre console we'll find the climate controls and a few charging points, and for the driver there is a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen California Coast. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.